Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I make my homemade pizza with the no yeast pizza dough. So let's get started. So for the pizza dough, you're going to need all-purpose flour, baking soda, oil, water, and for flavor, salt and oregano. So start by combining all the dry ingredients, so the flour, salt, and oregano, and then add the oil and mix that in. And finally add the water and mix it all until it comes together into a ball. Then knead for a few minutes. The dough should be super soft and easy to work with. Once you're done kneading, let the dough rest for 10 minutes. After resting, oil the baking pan. A cooking spray would have definitely been easier, but I didn't have any, so I just used some olive oil. And I'm also using a spring-form cake pan, so it's easier to take out the pizza once it's done. Next, roll out the dough into a circle big enough to fit your pan, and to create the crust, just push the dough up along the sides of the pan. And finally, bake the crust for 15 minutes at 375. I'm making a bacon and caramelized onion pizza today, but you can put any toppings you like. So I cook my bacon first and then cook the onions in the bacon fat to get more of that bacon flavor. So now I'm just going to layer the pizza, first with pizza sauce, then the onions, then some mozzarella cheese, and then the bacon. I also topped off with more oregano and some crushed chili flakes for more flavor. Next, I baked the pizza for 10 minutes, just until the cheese was completely melted, and then I set it on broil for 2 minutes to get that crispy top. And here it's finally done. Here's the mouth-watering shots of the pizza. I've made this pizza many times now with different toppings, and it always turns out delicious. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment and subscribe as well. See you in our next video!